YouTube family, talk to your boy. It is Van Jr. from What My Teacher Wears, back at you again with another full week of starting off getting dressed with me during the quarantine break, during the COVID-19 break. And then, as I always say with these types of videos, first and foremost, I hope everybody is staying safe out there. I hope everybody is doing everything, again, that the CDC is advising us to do. I hope everybody is mental space is in a great place. You guys realized last week, I kind of took last week off just with the whole adjustment. I'm extremely extroverted. And so this kind of not being able to leave outside of the house is different, very different for me. Very different for me, and I think a lot of people have not even discussed just about sometimes how extroverts, how this time of, I guess you could say, pause, the effect that it's having on us, some of us extroverts, some of those who are very sociable, some of those who are very friendly, some of those who do and who enjoys really kind of being out and about and kind of in the place to be. So this type of break right here is extremely different from me. So I took 1 week off just for the simple fact, just to get my head together. I just wasn't in the right headspace just to create really any type of content. Although I did start a TikTok. If you do not follow your boy on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, man, at What My Teacher Wears. If you have not done so, also follow me on the gram at What My Teacher Wears. But again, enough is enough. Let's go ahead and get immediately into the video for today. So let's start with today's look. So as I always say, guys, I always start off with a statement piece, whatever it might be, one piece that I kind of center my entire outfit around. And in this case, it's a pinstripe gray double-breasted blazer. If you notice this blazer, and if it looks familiar, I uploaded it in my how to alter a double-breasted blazer video a few weeks back, just teaching guys how to alter a double-breasted blazer, because that is a blazer that I feel like anytime you put it on, it has to be very well tailored. So we're starting off with kind of this blazer. I changed those buttons out, as I explained in the video when I was discussing this double-breasted blazer. So I changed the buttons out, made them white to bring out that lighter gray within the blazer, and I paired them with just some very simple gray slacks, gray trousers. I really actually love these trousers. They are from the Ralph Lauren brand. I wanted to do white pants, but I feel like on my Instagram I kind of been doing the white pant a little bit too much, so I kind of dialed it back a little bit, and I just went with the plain gray. It brought the gray out in the blazer even more, just for the simple fact those buttons were white and those pants were a very light gray. So I went with just a plain white shirt. I didn't want to do too much because the blazer, in itself is doing enough talking. And I went with a darker tie. The darker tie I really like with this blazer, but I end up changing it because I wanted a more contrasting look as far as to play off the pinstripe look. And I think I really enjoyed this look, but I'm not a fan of, like I thought I would be, of the black pocket square. So I went ahead and I just changed it up a little bit, and I went with just a plain white pocket square, and I'm really loving this look even more. I chose to go with more of a men's fashion as far as in the watch wear and as far as in the wrist wear. So I went with this Metal Link Armani and Exchange watch, and I just threw it on with just two simple black beaded bracelets, which I actually love this look. Again, I'm trying to set the tone in my classroom, if I was able to go to work. So Monday is all about setting a tone, and I feel like I'm doing that very perfectly in this situation. The double-breasted blazer in itself is enough to catch the eye, to command the respect when I walk into the room. But this right here, this is drip there in itself. I went with a lighter lapel pin, a lighter gray lapel pin. I like the way I paired that lighter lapel, gray lapel pin, how it kind of, it's not matchy with the tie, but it complements the tie very well. And I didn't go with white because I went with the white pocket square, and you do see I have the white buttons. So I wanted to go just a tad bit different, and I didn't want to go charcoal as far as with the lapel pin. I decided to go black loafers. If you know me, you know loafers are my absolute favorite shoe. favorite shoe in the entire world. So I kept it very, very, very kind of, I guess you can say, monochromatic throughout the look, although the shoes are black. If you know anybody for some good prices, for some great horse bit loafers, send them to me, shoot it to me. Drop a comment in the comment section as far as if you guys have seen any nice horse bit gray loafers. I'm looking for those definitely. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that as we speak. Do that right now. Stop waiting time. Hey, come here. Subscribe to the channel, like this video if you found this video super informative. If you want to continue seeing things like this, let me know in the comment section. We will get back to some of our regularly scheduled or our regular videos as we get into next week. Until tomorrow, man, I see y'all when I see you, and make sure you stay safe out there.